Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
So we started miscellaneous, right?
Miscellaneous examples, sir.
We started miscellaneous examples. Okay. Yeah, got the document. So we have completed example 22, the second problem of it, right? Next is NCERT page. So miscellaneous exercise. Find the derivative of the following functions from first principle. Homework. So all these things I'm giving as homework. You can try. If there are any doubts, you can approach me. Second, find the derivative of the following functions. It is to be understood that A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S are fixed non-zero constants and M and N are integers. So solution. So if I take this as y, then dy by dx will be how much? We can make it. So it is d by dx of x plus a. That is the derivative of x with respect to x plus derivative of a with respect to x. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of a with respect to x is 0. So answer is 1. Right? Next. So first one was simple. Now let's do the third one. So what are we supposed to do? So y is equal to, this is f of x into g of x. So dy by dx will be equal to f of x into derivative of g of x plus g of x into derivative of f of x. Right? F of x is how much? It is px plus q into, what is the derivative of g of x? Plus g of x, that is r by x plus s into d by dx of f of x, that is px plus q. So px plus q into derivative of r by x is minus r by x square plus derivative of s is 0 plus r by x plus s into derivative of px plus q is derivative of px is p plus derivative of q is 0. There is any doubt, you can get it clarified. Minus r by x square into px plus q plus p into r by x plus s. Can you check the back answer and tell me?
Given minus qr by x square plus ps.
1 minute. Minus qr by x square
Plus ps.
Correct. Because see, if I expand it, it is minus prx divided by x square minus qr divided by x square plus pr divided by x plus ps. So x and x will get cancelled. Pr by x and pr by x are gone. It is minus qr divided by x square plus ps. I think this is the answer given, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah. What
Sir,
is it?
in the third step, how did minus r by x square come, sir?
Okay. See, d by dx of r by x, that is d by dx of r by x. R is a constant. R will come out. D by dx of
Oh,
1 by x, it is x power minus 1. Beyond this, can you do it? It
yes,
is
sir.
x.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, r into x power minus 2 divided by minus 2. Then there should be a minus 2, no? X power n minus 1.
It will be into minus 1 by x square below, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. X power n minus 1 by n minus 1. It should be minus 1 by 2x square, but it is 1 by minus 1 by x square is right.
The minus 1 will come as coefficient and the power of x will be raised to minus 2, sir.
1 minute. D by dx of x power minus 1. Tell me. X power n minus 1. So minus 1 divided by.
The minus 1 will come as coefficient outside.
Oh, n. Sorry, I'm doing integration. I'm extremely sorry. See. So minus 1 into x power minus 2. So minus 1 by x square. Yeah. Sorry, I was doing some integration problem, so I got stuck in that. So it is minus qr by x square plus ps. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is y. So what is dy by dx? So this is f of x. This is g of x. So for g of x, remember you have to apply a chain rule. Okay. So d by dx of ax plus b, or I will write it like this: f of x into derivative of g of x. That is ax plus b into d by dx of cx plus d plus cx plus d into d by dx of ax plus b. There is a square. So ax plus b into, how to solve this one? It will be 2 into cx plus d, right? I'm applying chain
Yes, sir.
rule, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
2 into cx plus d into, what should I differentiate? d by dx of cx plus d. That is, if I take cx plus d as capital X, so derivative of capital X square is 2 into capital X dot d by dx of the derivative inside. This is the formula. Derivative of f of x power n is n into f of x power n minus 1 into f dash of x. That's what I applied. Plus cx plus d the whole square into d by dx of ax plus b, that is a. So 2 times ax plus b into cx plus d into derivative of cx plus d is c plus cx plus d the whole square into a. Correct? So 2 times cx plus d is common. Okay, 2 is not common actually. Cx plus d, if I take out common, 2 into ax plus b plus cx plus d. Here I will multiply with c, here I will multiply with a. I'm not sure how the answer is given at the back. Cx plus d into 2acx plus 2bc plus acx plus ad. So cx plus d into 3acx plus 2bc plus ad. Clear? Check the answer.
The answer you've given it in a different format. You've given it
Like?
as 2c into ax plus b into cx plus d plus a into cx plus d the whole square.
So this is what they have given. They have stopped it with this. 2c into ax plus b into cx plus d plus a into cx
into
plus d the
CX
whole
plus
square.
D.
You can stop with this. But it's fine, you can write it in any of the ways. So generally for differentiation and all, your teacher will have different options. Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is y. Ax plus b by cx plus d is y. So dy by dx will be equal to cx plus d into d by dx of ax plus b. That is denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by
By
the
CX
denominator
plus
square.
D the whole square.
Yeah. So cx plus d into derivative of ax is a minus ax plus b into derivative of cx plus d is c, the whole divided by cx plus d the whole square. So what will you get? ACX plus AD minus ACX minus BC. ACX are gone, divided by CX plus D the whole square. AD minus BC divided by CX plus D the whole square. This is right. This is the simplified form of it. See, here I'm doing it directly, okay? While you're writing it in the exam, don't forget the formula. The formula is mandatory.
It expands CX plus D, sir.
They did it, huh?
No, we should expand
No, you can
CX
leave
plus
it.
D.
Where are you saying here? Are you talking
Yes,
about
sir.
last step?
Because yes, sir. Because it will formula is mandatory.
No. I'm saying that's not what I'm trying to say. Here,
You mean
I
division
directly
rules, sir?
yeah, you have to write the quotient rule formula and then do
Okay.
it.
Okay, sir. Okay, understood.
Okay, yeah. So this one you can leave it. This is right. Okay. I'm talking about the formula. Okay. Now see. Can I write this as x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 as y? So x minus 1 into d by dx of x plus 1 minus of x plus 1 into d by dx of x minus 1 the whole divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So x minus 1 into derivative of x is 1 minus of x plus 1 into derivative of x is again 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So x minus 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. X and x cancels. So minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So going to the next one. You guys do this and tell me.
Completed, sir.
Minus 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c the whole square. Did you get
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. See, the solution is y is equal to, so what will dy by dx be? Ax square plus bx plus c into derivative of 1 minus 1 into derivative of
Ax plus b.
1 minus 1 into derivative of ax square plus bx plus c, the whole divided by ax square plus bx plus c, the whole square. This one is 0. So 0 minus of 2ax plus b, the whole divided by ax square plus bx plus c, the whole square. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Try this. So I'll directly do the derivative. Px square plus qx plus r into d by dx of ax plus b minus of px square plus qx plus r, oh sorry, ax plus b into d by dx of px square plus qx plus r, the whole divided by px square plus qx plus r, the whole square. So you have px square plus qx plus r into how much? Into derivative of ax plus b is a, minus of ax plus b into derivative of px square plus qx plus r is 2px plus q, the whole divided by px square plus qx plus r, the whole square. Apx square plus aqx plus ar minus 2apx minus aqx minus
It'll be a
2
2apx square, right, sir?
x square, sorry. 2apx square minus aqx minus 2bpx minus qb, the whole divided by px square plus qx plus r, the whole square. aqx are gone. So minus apx square minus 2bpx plus ar minus qb, the whole divided by px square plus qx plus r, the whole square. Okay. Next one, homework, similar kind. Yes. We'll do the 10th one. So how to do the 10th one? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of, I can take out a common, x power minus 4 minus b into d by dx of x power minus 2 plus d by dx of cos x. A into derivative of x power minus 4 is x power minus 5 divided by again sorry, minus 4 into x power minus 5 minus b into minus 2 into x power minus 3 plus minus sin x minus 4a divided by x power 5 plus 2b divided by x cube minus sin x. Yeah. So derivative of 4 root x minus 2. Root x can be written as x power half. Do it faster. Tell me what is the answer.
So I got 2 by root x.
That's right. So you can remember it. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Because d by dx of x power half is half into d by dx of x power minus half. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x power minus half. So that will be 1 by 2 root x. So y is equal to 4 root x minus 2 means dy by dx will be equal to 4 into derivative of root x minus derivative of 2. So that is 4 divided by 2 root x minus 0. That is 2 root x. Sorry, 2 by root x. Ax plus b whole power n. Ax plus b whole power n. N into ax plus b power n minus 1 into
Derivative of ax plus
ax
b.
plus b. That's right. So n into ax plus b the whole power n minus 1 into derivative of ax plus b is a. So an into ax plus b the whole power n minus 1. Okay. Can you guys do this
Sir,
and
could
tell
you
me
show
what?
the last sum again once? So I didn't understand this.
See, f of x power n derivative n into f of x power n minus 1 into f dash of x.
Okay, sir, I understood. We use chain rule. Okay, understood, sir.
Yeah, chain rule. I use chain rule. That's it. Okay. Similarly, try this problem. Y is equal to ax plus b the whole power n into cx plus d the whole power m. So dy by dx is how much? Ax plus b the whole power n into d by dx of cx plus d the whole power m. So that will be ax plus b the whole power m into, sorry, plus cx plus d the whole power m into d by dx of ax plus b the whole power m. So that will be ax plus b the whole power n into, what will you have? M into cx plus d the whole power m minus 1 into d by dx of cx plus cx plus d the whole power m into n into ax plus b the power n minus 1 into d by dx of ax plus b. Did you understand what I did? I applied chain rule for this and chain rule for this. Yeah. Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can't we directly do like n into ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b, then for the next one also the same thing, and then multiply both, sir?
You cannot do this one because this is a different function and this is a different function. So f of x into g of x is always f of x into derivative of g of x. I am applying product rule. G of
Yes,
x
sir.
into, yeah, you cannot do
A
it like that.
derivative of s of x. Okay, sir.
You can't do separately. You have to do it as a product rule.
Okay,
So
sir.
in this problem, what is happening is, yeah, just because you asked, I'm telling you. So in this product rule also, what is happening? For each, you need to apply chain rule. Don't get confused between product rule and chain rule. Product rule will come when two functions are multiplied. Chain rule will come when a function is raised to the power n.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So the final answer will be m into ax plus b the whole power n into cx plus d the whole power m minus 1 into derivative of cx is c. So I will put a c here. Plus cx plus d the whole power m into n into ax plus b the whole power n minus 1 into derivative of ax is a. Okay. So that will give you cx plus d the whole power m minus 1 into ax plus b the whole power n minus 1 if I take out. Okay. So what am I left out with? mc multiplied with ax plus b plus na multiplied with cx plus d. This is the answer. I'm not sure how it is given at the back, but just check and tell me. Is there any doubt? So how is the answer given at the back? Is it in the same way?
Checking, sir.
Check.
It's the same, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed? Anyone with a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So derivative of sine of x plus a, again chain rule. D by dx of sine of x plus a. Derivative of sine cos
Cos.
of x plus a into d by dx of x plus a. So cos of x plus a into derivative of x plus a is 1. That's the answer. Remember I told you, first write the derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cos of the same angle into, you have to differentiate the angle separately.
Show the
Solution.
answer for the.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So cosecant x into cot x. D by dx of cosecant x into cot x is equal to cosecant x into d by dx of cot x plus cot x into d by dx of cosecant x. So cosecant x into derivative of cos x is minus cosecant square x plus cot x into derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x, right? So it is minus cosecant cube x minus cosecant x cot square x. So if I take out minus cosecant x outside, I'll have cosecant square x plus cot square x. Check the answer.
So given minus cosec cube x minus cosec x cot square x. Same
Minus
only,
cosec.
sir.
Same only, no? They stopped with this step. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Solution. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus sin x into derivative of cos x, u by v, that is quotient rule, minus cos x into d by dx of 1 plus sin x, the whole divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. So 1 plus sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus cos x into derivative of 1 plus sin x is cos x, because derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of sin x is cos x, by 1 plus sin x the whole square. So what is that? You will get 1 minus sin square x minus cos square x by 1 plus sin x the whole square. So this will be 1 minus of sin square x plus cos square x divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. So what is sin square x plus cos square x?
I have a doubt, sir. Won't it be minus sin x minus sin square x?
Where?
And second step, second or third step. Minus sin x will multiply with 1, right, sir? The step after this, sir.
Here.
Yes, sir. Minus sin x will get multiplied.
Oh,
with
I
1.
forgot sin x. Yeah. That's what I was wondering, because answer is coming out as 0. That's not possible. So it is, now it's fine. Yeah. So it is sin x minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x the whole square. Now it's fine. This is the final answer. Shall I proceed?
The answer below, in the answer given as minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Sir.
Minus 1 by 1 plus sin x the whole square.
Only 1 plus sin x, sir. Whole square gets cancelled. It's not there.
Okay. Yes, I made a mistake. Minus is there, no? So minus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x, which implies if I take out minus common, sin x plus 1 by sin x plus 1 the whole square. 1 times it gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Now is it fine? Did you understand why I got a minus in here? Because I missed this minus. Minus multiplied with 1 will be minus sin x. going to the next problem. Anybody wants to copy this, or shall I proceed?
I completed.
Okay. So sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x. If I take this as y, dy by dx will be equal to sin x minus cos x into derivative of sin x plus cos x minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of sin x minus cos x, the whole divided by sin x minus cos x the whole square. So what is the answer? So sin x minus cos x into derivative of sin x plus cos x is cos x minus sin x minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of sin x minus cos x is cos x plus sin x, the whole divided by sin x minus cos x the whole square. Right? So I'll expand both. See, sin x cos x minus sin square x minus cos square x plus sin x cos x minus, multiply both again, sin x cos x plus sin square x plus cos square x plus sin x cos x, the whole divided by sin x minus cos x the whole square. Tell me, is there any doubt at this step? Fine,
No, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So see, what all will get cancelled is sin x cos x gets cancelled because there is a minus sign here. Okay. For sin square x, it will get multiplied with this minus, so you will have minus sin square x, so it is safe. Cos square x is safe. Similarly, sin x and sin x, sin x cos x and sin x cos x will get cancelled. So what is that you're left out with? You're left out with minus 2 sin square x minus 2 cos square x divided by sin x minus cos x the whole square. So minus 2 into sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin x minus cos x the whole square. So what is that you will get? Minus 2 divided
by sin x
minus 2
minus
by
cos
sin
x.
x cos x whole square. Is that the given answer?
Yes, sir. It's the same answer.
It's the given answer, right? Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
The same answer, sir.
Same, right? See, 1 minute. I just want to tell you some important point. Generally, what happens if you go into a little bit of advanced differentiation, especially based on trigonometry, it is not necessary you will have only one answer. See, generally for CBS, it will not be a problem, but to improve your thought process, if you guys need to practice your trigonometry more. For example, see, I'll approach the same problem in a different way. See, sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x. What did we do? We directly proceeded using u by v rule. That is quotient rule. But by looking at this kind of symmetry, from trigonometry, I'm getting an idea that divide numerator and denominator with cos x. If I do that, I'll get y is equal to tan x plus 1 by tan x minus 1. Am I right, guys? Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
So if I take out minus sign, minus of, can I write it as 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x? I took the minus sign from the denominator. See, does it make sense? See. Am I clear? Shall I proceed? So I took the minus sign from here. I took the minus sign means it has become 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So minus of, remember 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x is the same as tan of pi by 4 minus x. Because what is, I'm completely doing a reverse trigonometry. See. What is tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. If you do and see, sorry, tan of pi by 4 plus x. So tan of pi by 4 plus x is nothing but tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x. This is a very, very important rule. You will learn it next year. Don't worry about it. But just to share, I'm telling you 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Right? Till this step, is it clear? So what I'm trying to say here is, with the knowledge of trigonometry, if I differentiate this or if I differentiate this, it is the same. So what is dy by dx here? Minus is outside. What is the derivative of tan?
Minus secant square x.
It is only secant square. Secant square of pi by 4 plus x into, this is not tan x. I need to apply chain rule, into d by dx of pi by 4 plus x. Is that clear? So minus secant square of pi by 4 plus x into derivative of pi by 4 plus x is how much?
1, sir.
1. That's right. So minus 1 divided by, can I write it as cos square of pi by 4 plus x? Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So listen, minus 1 divided by, it's nothing but minus 1 divided by cos of pi by 4 plus x, the whole square. So what is cos pi by 4 plus x? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. In that, remember, a is pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x, the whole square. So what is common in the denominator and numerator? I mean, what is common in the denominator? 1 by root 2.
1 by root.
1 by root 2, if it comes out from the square, how will it come out? Minus 1 by half into cos x minus sin x, the whole square.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right? So minus 2 divided by cos x minus sin x, the whole square. Aren't they both the same?
Yes, sir.
Only difference is there sin x minus cos x whole square. Here it is cos x minus sin x whole square. So the reason why I explained this problem is, I just wanted to state that trigonometry is very, very important. I'm repeating it, concentrate on it, or else next year will be a nightmare. 12th will be very tough if you don't know trigonometry. If you practice it this year itself, next year it is going to be very easy. Trust me on that as well. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So secant x minus 1 by secant x plus 1. This is y. So what is dy by dx? Secant x plus 1 into d by dx of secant x minus 1 minus secant x minus 1 into d by dx of secant x plus 1, the whole divided by secant x plus 1, the whole square. So it is secant x plus 1 into derivative of secant x minus 1 is secant x tan x. Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x minus of secant x minus 1 into derivative of again secant x is secant x tan x, whole divided by secant x plus 1, the whole square. So it is secant square x tan x plus secant x tan x minus secant square x tan x plus secant x tan x, the whole divided by secant x plus 1, the whole square. secant square x tan x con. So it will be 2 secant x tan x the whole divided by secant x plus 1 the whole square. Clear? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So derivative of sine power nx. So it is of the form f of x power n. N into f of x power n minus 1 into f dash of x. So what is dy by dx, guys? N into sine power n minus 1 into d by dx of sine x. So n into sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x. Proceeding to the next one. This one is homework. Homework. Let me see which are. So 23rd homework. 24th you can do. 25th you can do. See, I've covered almost all the problems. 27th I will do. Please just 2 minutes. Charge in my pencil is over. Just 2 minutes. So listen. So what is dy by dx here? Sin x into d by dx of x square cos pi by 4 minus x square cos pi by 4 we can directly write. No, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 x square into d by dx of sin x the whole divided by sin square x. So that will be 1 by root 2 into sin x into derivative of x square is 2x. Minus 1 by root 2 into x square into derivative of sin x is cos x the whole divided by sin square x. So what is that we are left out with? 1 by root 2 sin square x into 2x sin x minus x square cos x. Can you check the answer and tell me? Is it fine?
So they've given it as x cos pi by 4 into 2 sin x minus x cos x by root 2 sin square x.
Tell me again. X cos
Pi by 4 into
okay
into
whole bracket
2 sin x Yes, sir. Whole bracket 2 sin x minus x cos x
2 sin x minus x cos x.
by root 2 sin square x.
So if I take out x common, is there an x cos pi by 4? Did I miss something? 1 minute, wait. So sin x into x square into cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. I don't think there is a root 2 in the denominator. Check this. I think this should have been given. X cos pi by 4 by sin square x into 2 sin x minus x cos x.
So it's given root 2, sir, in denominator.
Then it's wrong. Because sin x into the question is right. X square cos pi by 4 by sin x. Is that the question?
Yes, sir. The question is right, sir.
Okay. So what I did is right because see, x will come out, you will get this thing. You cannot have another x pi by, you cannot have another cos pi by 4. I have to check this. Okay. I'll check and let you know. So this one also.
Sir, I
you
have
can
a
do it as-
doubt at 27.
Yeah, tell me.
The differentiation of x square into 1 by root 2, sir.
Okay. What is the doubt? 1 by root 2 is a constant. I took it out. That is why 1 by root 2. Sin x is already there. So derivative of
Be
x square.
root 2x, right, sir?
Why? Derivative of x square is 2x, no? See, 1 by
Okay,
root 2
sir,
is a
understood. Understood. My
1 by root
mistake,
2 is
sir.
constant, yeah. So that's why I'm saying there is no mistake in what I did. I think this root 2 is not should not come. They've given it by mistake. The root 2 will not come. Because see, this whole thing, what I can do is if I take out x common, then x into 2 sin x minus x cos x, I got the numerator, divided by sin square x. If I leave it like that, this 1 by root 2 can be written as cos pi by 4. The root 2 should not come. I think they have given it by mistake. We'll check in some other source. So this one, homework again, quotient rule. This also homework. This also homework. Okay, this one alone I will do it. So y is equal to x divided by sine power nx. So dy by dx will be equal to sine power nx into derivative of x minus x into d by dx of sine power nx. The whole divided by sine power nx the whole square. So 1 into sine power nx minus x into derivative of sine power nx is n into sine power n minus 1x into d by dx of cos x. Chain rule. The whole divided by sine power 2n into x. So what will you get? You will have sine power nx minus nx power sine power n minus 1 into x cos x, the whole divided by sine power 2n into x. Right?
So given sin x minus n into nx into cos x by sine of n plus 1.
Tell me again, sin x into
Nx minus, sir, it's minus.
Sin x minus
n into x cos x
okay,
by
the whole divided by
yes, the whole divided by sin raised to the power n plus 1 into x.
okay. They took out. It's the same. See, if I take out sin power n minus 1 into x outside, then it will be sin x minus nx cos x, the whole divided by sin power 2n into x. No, this and this will get cancelled. Sin power n plus 1 times. Did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So that's the answer. Both are right. You can leave it like this also. That's what I'm saying. Wherever trigonometry is getting involved, no, especially in the case of differentiation integration, we get different answers because some people write it simplified, some will leave it as it is. Both are right, both are accepted. Till your formula is correct and the approach is correct. Okay. So that's all about limits and derivatives. So we have completed this also. So we'll have a test. And so next week, DAV, you have a. Do you guys have any test in the school?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
have
sir.
exams for 1 week.
Exams from Monday to Friday.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Without
sir.
break.
Monday to Friday. Okay. So there are 2 more chapters for me to complete. Okay. So what we can do is 1 minute. So what is next Sunday's date? That is
I think 5th, sir.
6th, right? 6th. So we
6th,
will
sir,
have
sorry.
we on 13th of December. Okay, on 13th of December, limits and derivatives test. So you have solid 2.5 weeks to prepare on that. Okay. So tomorrow
Okay.
I will start probability. So probability maximum 3 to 4 classes.
The
Probability,
last
then we'll
two
go. Yeah, last 2 chapters.
they are probability and statistics, or is mathematical reasoning also there?
Mathematical reasoning is removed. It's deleted from your syllabus. Okay, so we have only statistics and probability. Statistics is again easy only. It's like what you learned last year. Some extended concepts will be there. That's it. Standard deviation and variance will come. That's it. Okay, probability has relation to the first topic, that is sets. This I will teach first, then we will look at statistics because statistics is only formula based chapter. So there is nothing to break our heads. It's just you learn the formula, you'll apply it. But probability, we need to understand the statements and permutations, combinations, all those things. Okay. So that will be a topic of discussion tomorrow. Any other doubt from today's class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So please make a note of this. 13th of December, morning 10 to 11:30. We will have a test in limits and derivatives end to end. Okay.
55
So that's
marks,
it.
sir.
The 40 marks one. Physics will be for 35, maths for 40. Okay. So just wait for a minute. Wait for a minute, don't leave.